This year's Interpack is coming to an end, and it has been such a great show and opportunity to connect with our clients, to talk about the latest developments in tablet manufacturing and how to improve overall development and time to market.
It's my first time at Interpack. The booth of Fette Compacting is really beautiful. I'm really impressed by the new FE VIP, and it's cool to see what's coming next in the pharmaceutical development.
Fette is our single source, and we have a really good partnership. We see the emulators, the new tablet presses, and you are the innovative driver for our company, Merck in Darmstadt.
From year to year or from fair to fair, is it Interpack or is it a HEMA? I think that Fette is always improving and there are always many new things. I really like this continuous granulation and tableting connection. This is very new for me and I really like it. And the good thing is you have separated the lab equipment and the process equipment, so it's good for the people from R&D also. As a long-time customer, I have long experience and Fette is always very supportive and very friendly for full cooperation.
Ladies and gentlemen, Interpack 2026 comes to an end. Doors will be closed, and I would like to thank you personally for visiting us. It was a fantastic show for us, a lot of interest, and I'm very much looking forward to see all of you Interpack 2029.
Fette Compacting. Together from lab to production.